Hi students, welcome to the series of JEE Mains IIT 2026 Phase 2 2nd April 2026. Dear students, today we are going to solve Shift 2 evening question paper of JEE Main 2026. Dear students, this question paper is based on memory based questions and we are going to get or do the solutions to all these questions of chemistry, physics and mathematics. Dear students, this exam was conducted on 2nd April 2026 shift to evening, and as you know, this exam time duration is 3 hours and it was held during 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. and the reporting time for entry was 2 p.m. right students? So the maximum marks for this exam is 300 marks, right? So there will be 75 questions for which you will get each question you will get 4 marks. That means 75 into 4 you are going to get 300 marks. Let us see the questions. Yes students, JEE Mains 2026 Phase 2 April 2nd evening question paper of chemistry. Dear students, section A, as you know, this section consists of 20 multiple choice questions for which there will be options of 1, 2, 3 and 4, out of which only one is going to be correct answer. Yes students, for the correct answer you are going to be awarded 4 marks. If you do make wrong answer you are going to lose -1 mark. Yes students, let us see the questions. So the question number 1, arrange following complexes in increasing order of crystal field stabilization energy. Yes students, the correct option is 2, that is C is going to have more, followed by B, followed by A. How? So the solution is like this: water is SFL with cobalt 3 plus, in this complex ene is SFL with CO 3 plus, and order of ligand strength ene is greater than water. So crystal field stabilization energy order will be, that is ethylene diamine, followed by this is B, water in 3 place, and this is A, that is water in 2 place condition. Right students, let us see next question number 2. Consider the following reaction. This is vinyl alcohol, right? So vinyl alcohol is going to be like this, but this vinyl alcohol is going to stabilize like this. How? So this double bond is going to form aldehyde, right? So it rearranges to here to give aldehyde. So what we are going to get? So here and here double bond O. So this is aldehyde. You are going to get aldehyde. So this aldehyde gives what? Failing solution test, right? So this is A, compound A gives positive failings test. Choose the correct relation. So what about other molecule? Yes, straight away cleave here, you will get this side also alcohol, and allyl alcohol it is not going to rearrange. However, it is tertiary butanol, so hydrolysis may take place here also. You are going to get diol, here also alcohol and here also alcohol. What will be the molecular weight? Molar weight of A and molar weight of B is same. No students, here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons, here only 1, 2, 3 carbons, right? So this is not correct. Molar weight of A is greater than molar weight of B. No. Molar weight of B is greater than molar weight of A. Yes. So this side it is going to have more molecular weight compared to this side. So the option 3 is correct option students. So the solution is given here. So here break here, this side you are going to get alcohol and this side also you are going to get alcohol, right? So you are going to get this vinyl alcohol plus water. So 20 into point plus water. So 20 into 0.2, 10 into 0.2, you are going to get, upon solution you are going to get 4.676 pKa. Yes friends, next question number 4. Molarity of sulfuric acid solution is 4.9 moles. If density of solution is 1.40 grams per ml, then molarity and mole fraction of solute in solution is, yes, option number 1 is correct option students. Next, so the solution is given here. Please go through for detailed solutions and answers. Yes, next question number 5. SF4 is isostructural with, yes, Isostructured with what? It is going to be isostructured with methane. Oh, sorry. Isostructural with 1 and 3 only. What are the 1 and 3? Xenon, O2F2 and IF4 plus. So it is isostructural. So the what is the shape? Seesaw shape, sp3d. So what about this? This is also sp3d2, sp3d, and whereas methane it is going to have tetrahedral, right? So IF4 seesaw shape, that is sp3d, and whereas bromine F4 minus is going to have square planar. So the options 1 and 2 are correct. That is option number 2 is correct option, students. Next question number 6. For the reaction 2A gives 4B plus C at 30 minutes, the total pressure is 300 millimeters of mercury, and after infinite time the total pressure is 600 mm of Hg. Then the pressure of C at time t 30 minutes will be, the correct answer is 20 mm of Hg. So the solution is given here, students. Please go through the solution. Next question number 7. Two solutions of protein, molecular weight is going to have 50,000 grams per mole, are prepared separately. Solution A, 1 gram protein in 0.5 liter solution. So right. Solution B, 2 gram protein in 1 liter solution. So the molarity is going to have the same. When these two solutions are mixed at 300 K, find total osmotic pressure. Yes. So it is going to give 7.3 into 10 to the minus 1 torr. So how? It can be calculated like this. Yes. Next. Question number 8. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Order of second ionization energy is boron, aluminum, gallium, grade. No, this is not. It should come here, right? So statement 2. Order of first ionization energy is So this is also wrong. Both statement 1 and say correct. No, correct but not 2. No. So both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect, students, right? So the ionization energies are given here. Please go through the energies. So the boron greater than aluminum greater than gallium, no. So the option number 4, that is both statements are incorrect, is correct option, students. Next question number 9. Correct order of enthalpy of atomization is what is the correct option? Yes, 3, that is nitrogen greater than O2 greater than chlorine greater than bromine greater than fluorine greater than iodine. So bond energy kilojoules per mole is given here. So the same statement follows this based on this bond energy. Next question number 10. Which of the ion having highest ionization energy will give borax bead test? What it is going to give? Yes, iron 3 plus. It is going to give boron bead test. Next question number 11. Consider the reaction AX gives rise to BY, that is 1. Rate constant, that is K, is given as 3 into 10 to the minus 4 per mole per second. The correct statement is, so the correct option is 3. When concentration of X becomes 4 times, then rate of reaction increases by 16 times. So this is the correct answer, students. Next solution is given here. Next question number 12. Consider the following reaction, right? So X is giving toluene. What is the toluene? Here, toluene, structure of toluene is like this, right? This is toluene. Methyl benzene is toluene, and X upon reaction with aluminum chloride followed by HCl gives 3-methyl hexane. 3-methyl hexane is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3-methyl hexane. 1, 2, 3. 3-methyl hexane. This is it is giving. So from where it is possible? How many carbons are 7? So octane, no. Here also 7 carbons, and here also 7 carbon. 2-methyl hexane, from here to here cyclation, maybe no. 3-methyl hexane, it is given here 3-methyl hexane. So this upon reaction, no. So it is nothing but heptane, students. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this upon cyclation it gives toluene, and upon acid reaction it is going to give this 3-methyl, or it can give 2-methyl also, students. So 2-methyl-hexane or 3-methyl-hexane. So option 2, that is heptane, is correct option, students. So is it so? Yes, let us see the solution. Yes, if you take heptane 7-membered ring, you are going to get 7-membered carbon containing toluene, and this is also 7-membered alkane, right? So the correct option is heptane. Next, question number 13. Correct order of boiling point of silicon, germanium, tin and lead is, yes, it is going to follow like this: silicon followed by greater than germanium, greater than tin, greater than lead. So the boiling points are like this. Yes, students. So silicon is going to have higher boiling point compared to lead, right? So silicon you will find in that is sand. So lead, it is easily meltable, but whereas sand, it is very tough to melt, right? So this is the way you can remember also. Next, question number 14. Which option have acidic, basic, amphoteric and neutral oxide respectively? So acidic, basic, amphoteric and neutral oxide respectively. So this is carbon dioxide. So Na2O, basic, yes. A2O3, amphoteric, neutral, right? So CO neutral. So option 2 is correct option, students. So carbon dioxide is acidic, Na2O is sodium oxide is basic, aluminum trioxide is amphoteric, whereas carbon monoxide is neutral. So the option 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 15. The correct order of reactivity of nucleophilic substitution is, so here it is, what is this? Yes, isopropyl benzene, yes, bromobenzene, greater than this, so bridged carbon, here it should be like this. So benzyl bromide, this is right, no. So this is what it is, methyl is given like this, C, this is CS3, this is phenyl, right? So phenyl, and this is what is it is having, methyl, and okay, this here also phenyl. The way they wrote is very tough, you know. Bromide, so it is methyl, right? So here it is tertiary carbon, this is tertiary carbon, so it can easily loses bromine to form carbocation, right? Br minus carbocation, tertiary carbocation is more stable. This is benzylic with respect to 2 phenyl rings. So this is going to undergo nucleophilic substitution very easily. The correct order of reactivity of nucleophilic substitution is, this is tertiary carbon followed by this carbon is going to have 2 phenyl, this is 2 phenyl rings, so there is no methyl ring, right? So whereas this is only benzyl bromide, it is less reactive. So option 2 is correct option, students. How? See here, the rate of nucleophilic substitution reaction will depend on stability of carbocation. So which is more stable? So this is more stable, yes, this is more stable compared to this. This is diphenyl methane, right? So this is benzyl bromide. So among these three, this methyl, diphenyl, bromo, methane is going to have SN1 reaction very reactive compared to this bromide than benzyl bromide. Next, question number 16. The thyroxine hormone is formed by the ionization of an alpha amino acids, right? Alpha amino acid. The single letter code of that amino acid is, so where do you get this thyroxine? Ionization of an alpha amino acid. This is tyrosine. So tyrosine is written with Y. So what is the tyrosine? Yes, this is tyrosine. So this is tyrosine. So it should be written, the alphabet for this is tyrosine is Y, right? So the tyrosine is here, it is. Thyroxine is formed by the iodination of tyrosine Y. So this hydroxy is going to be turned into iodination, right? So this is the thyroxine comes from tyrosine. This is tyrosine. So the letter used for this amino acid is Y. So T threonine. So this is not correct. W, this hydrogen is histidine. This W, no, this is also not correct, right? So this is glutamic acid, I think, right? So Y is nothing but tyrosine, right? Next, dear students, as I said, this question paper is based on memory based questions. So some of the questions were not obtained, that is why 17, 18, 19, 20 questions were kept blank. Next, question number 21. Dear students, this section B contains 5 numerical based questions. So the answer for these questions must be a number. To enter the number, you will get a calculator type box on your screen while writing this exam. So using that box, you can enter the number. Dear students, the beauty of this section is, for these 5 questions, each correct answer you are going to get plus 4 marks. However, even if you make a wrong answer, you are not going to lose any negative marking. So please don't leave blank of these 5 questions. Please answer all these 5 questions. So the first question of this section B, that is question number 21 of chemistry, JEE mains 2026, April 2nd evening session. So the 21, this is what it is given. Yes, 2-bromo 3,4 4-methyl 2-bromo 4-methyl aniline. Upon diazotization using sodium nitrate plus HCl gives diazonium chloride of this amine. Then silver nitrate, this when you add silver nitrate, this diazonium chloride reacts with silver to give silver chloride. So what is the silver chloride PPT? How many molecules or how many moles you are going to get? Yes, C is a white sturdy PPT silver chloride. Find 10x nearest integer. So it is going to be 14. How? Let us see the solution here. What I have given. So here, so this aniline upon reaction with diazonium chloride, sodium nitrate plus HCl gives diazonium chloride. This diazonium chloride is going to react with silver nitrate to give silver chloride. Where is silver chloride? Yes, so 0.01 mole. So the question is, so 10x, find 10x nearest integer. So the what is the amount they have taken? 1.86 grams. So 1.86 grams. What is the molecular weight of this aniline? It is 186. So the how many moles they have taken? 0.01 moles. So from 0.01 moles, they are going to get 0.01 moles of silver chloride. So what is the molecular weight of silver chloride? Yes, molecular weight of silver chloride, it is taken as 186. So mass of carbon is going to have this 1.435 grams, right? So the correct answer is it is not 14, 1.4. Yes, students. So they have taken only 1.86. So they are going to get 1.4, students. Right. Next, question number 22. The work function of sodium metal is 2.3 electron volts. If maximum kinetic energy of emitted photoelectron is 2.8 into 10 to the minus 19 joules, then calculate wavelength of incident photon in nanometers. That is H equal to 6.626 into 10 to the minus 34 joules per second. We know it. So the answer is going to be 308. So how do you get this answer? Yes, solution is given here, students. Please go through the solution. So it is nothing but 307. Even if you write 307, 308, 306 also, you are going to get correct answer, full marks. Next, question number 23. How many of following ions will show paramagnetism? So paramagnetism, how many are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ions are given. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. What are they? Yes, it is manganese, copper 2 place, manganese 2 place, yes, titanium 2 place, and gadolinium 4 place, and cerium 3 place are going to have paramagnetic nature. So the answer is 5. 5 ions are going to show paramagnetic nature. Next, question number 24. The Ha minus concentration in a mixture containing 0.1 molar H2A and 0.1 molar of HCl is x into 10 to the power minus 9. Value of x is given. So Ka1 equal to 10 to the power minus 8 and Ka2 is equal to 10 to the power minus 13 for H2A. So the answer is going to be 10, students. So how? Yes, please go through the solution, you will get 10. So answer is 10, students. Dear students, as I said, so some of the questions were not obtained. These questions are based on memory based questions. So question number 25 is kept blank. Next, dear students, JEE Mains 2026 Phase 2, IIT JEE Mains 2026 Phase 2, 2nd April 2026 evening question paper, Physics. Dear students, section A of Physics contains 20 multiple choice questions. Each question will have options of 1, 2, 3 and 4, out of which only one is going to have correct answer. For correct answer, you are going to get plus 4 marks, whereas if you make wrong answer, we are going to lose minus 1 mark of this section. Let us see the questions. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. In equilateral prism, the path of a ray is shown. Determine is, the answer is 3, that is 1.39 is correct option, students. So the solution is given here. What is the equivalent gate for the circuit? It is nothing but NOR gate, NOR gate. Yes. Next, question number 3. A soap bubble of radius r equal to 1 mm completely submerged in liquid of density rho 1 is 2000 kilograms per meter cube. At the instant bubble is rising upward with constant velocity v equal to half centimeters per second. Find coefficient of viscosity need. So the answer is 3, that is 2 by 3 newtons per second per meter square is correct option, students. So the answer is, you can get the answer from this solution. So this is right, 2 by 3. So how square? No, this is not correct. Option 4 is correct option, students. 8 by 9 newtons per second per meter square. Yes. Next, question number 4. A small circular loop of radius r is completely enclosed within a large square loop of length L. Both of the loops are concentric and coplanar. Also L is greater than R. Find coefficient of mutual induction. The correct answer is 1, students. Next, question number 5. Dimensions of G, universal gravitational constant, in terms of Planck's constant m and t and L length will be. So what are the? Yes, this is option 3. Straight away you can choose the answer. Next, question number 6. Position of a particle is given by x equal to a sine 50t plus pi by 3. If speed and acceleration becomes 0 for the first time at time t1 and t2 respectively, then t1 and t2 are. So the option 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 7. A ball is released from rest as shown in figure. Ball comes to rest after moving 10 centimeters below the surface. Find average force applied by the floor material. So the correct option for this question is option number 2. Option number 2 is correct option, students. 1000 newtons. Next, question number 8. In Bohr's atomic model, find ratio of magnetic field produced at center by electron in second orbit and fourth orbit. So the option 3, answer 3 is correct option, students. 32. Next, question number 9. In a given AC circuit, if only switch S1 is closed, then phase difference is 30 degrees, while if only switch S2 is closed, then phase difference is 60 degrees. Current lags in both cases. If XC equal to 30 watts, then 3L1 minus L2 is option 3, that is 0.2H is correct option, students. Next, question number 10. A rod of length 3 meters and as 40 kilograms has same moment of inertia as that of solid sphere. Find radius of solid sphere. So the radius of solid sphere is going to have, what is the correct answer? Yes, you are going to get root 3, 30, under root 30. Yes. Next, question 11. Find displacement of center of mass after t equal to 2 seconds. So the correct option for this question is 20 by 9 is correct option, students. Next question number 12. In the situation shown, a small mass M is rotating along with the cylinder with angular speed equal to 5 radius per second. Radius of the cylinder is r equal to 1 by 2 meters. Find the minimum value of friction coefficient between inner surface of cylinder and the mass M so that it does not slip. Option 4, that is 4 by 5. Yes, students, 4 by 5 is correct option, students. Next question number 13. A ball of mass 1 kilogram and charge 9 Nc is in equilibrium between two parallel plates. Find potential difference between the plates. The correct option for this question is option 2 is correct option, students. Next question number 14. A point Mars just starts appropriating Earth from a large distance. Approaching students, it is distance. Speed of impact of point F Mars to planet surface is, planet is a time savior and with radius 4 times compared to Earth. So the correct answer for this question is 17 kilometers per second is correct option, students. 14. Question number 14. Option 3 is correct option, students. Next question number 15. Find the work done when radius of a soap bubble is increased from 2 centimeters to 6 centimeters. Surface tension of soap is 0.03 newtons per meters. So the correct answer for this question is option 2, 2.4 mJ. Yes, students. Next question number 16. Temperature of a gas is increased from 10K to 20K isochorically. Find heat absorbed by the 5 moles of the gas. So the correct option for this question is option 4, 1260 joules is correct option, students. Next question number 17. A mixture of 13.2 grams of carbon dioxide and oxygen gas is maintained at pressure equal to 100 kPa kilopascal, volume V equal to 8310 centimeters cube and temperature T equal to 300 K. Find the number of moles of carbon dioxide and oxygen respectively. What is the correct answer? Yes, option 2, 1.9 by 9 and 1.1 by 9 is going to be correct answer, students. Next. Yes, students, as I said, this is memory based question paper, so that is why some of the questions were not obtained. That is why question number 18, 19, 20 were kept blank. Let us see next section, section B. Yes, students, section B contains 5 numerical based questions. For this, if you write the correct answer, you will get plus 4 marks. Even if you make wrong answer, you are not going to lose any marks. So what about the answers? Yes, this section will not have any options. You have to write only integer. Number must be a integer. There should be a number. To enter this number, you will have a calculator type box on your screen. While writing this exam, using that box, you can write the answer. Yes, let us see the questions. Question number 21. 2 point charges, that is q1 equal to plus mu c and qt equal to minus 2 mu c are placed at x equal to 2 and x equal to 4 respectively. Consider two spherical Gaussian surfaces S1 and S2 centered at origin of radius 3 meters and 5 meters respectively. Electric flux through S1 and S2 is phi1 and phi2. Then 3 phi1 by phi2 equal to, yes, the answer is 4. Right? So this is how you will get the solution. Next. Question number 22. In a DC circuit, a bulb 200 volts and 100 watts is connected with two resistances and an ideal voltmeter as shown. Reading of voltmeter is volts, then V is, yes, you are going to get 50. Answer is 50. Yes, friends, you have to enter the number 50. Next, question number 23. The intensity of sunlight collected from equiconvex lens of r equal to 60 centimeters is observed to be maximum at distance of 30 centimeters from lens. Then refractive index of material of lens is, yes, it is going to be 2. Mu is going to be 2. Yes, students, as I said, this is memory based question paper, so some of the questions were not obtained. That is why question number 24 and 25 are kept blank. Next, let us see mathematics question paper of JEE Mains 2026 phase 2, which was held on April 2nd evening. Yes, students, mathematics section A contains 20 multiple choice questions, out of which there will be 20 questions in section A all these 20 questions are multiple choice questions. For this you will have options 1, 2, 3 and 4, out of which only one option is going to be correct answer. If you do the correct answer, you are going to get plus 4 marks. If you make wrong answer, you are going to lose minus 1 mark. Let us see the question. Question number 1. Option 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 2. Option 3 is correct option, students. Dear students, please go through for detailed solutions. Next, question number 3. Option 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 4. Answer 2 is correct option, students. Question number 5. Option 3 is correct option, students. Question number 6. Option 1, 7 by 2 is correct option, students. Solutions are given here. Please go through for detailed understanding. Yes. Question number 7. Option 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 8. Option 2 is correct option, students. Yes. Question number 9. Option 4, 0 is correct option, students. Next, question number 10. Option 2 is correct option, students. 27. Next, question number 11. Option 4 is correct option, students. Question number 12. Yes, option 2 is correct option, students. Question number 13. Option 3 is correct option, students. Question number 14. Option 2 is correct. Yes, students. So as I said, this is memory based question paper. Some of the questions were not obtained, so that is why question 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 are kept blank. Let us see section B. Yes, students, as I said, section B contains 5 questions, and all these questions answer must be an integer number. For you have to enter the number only. There will be no options for these 5 questions. So to enter this number, you will have a calculator type box on your screen while writing this exam. Right, students, using that box you can enter the numbers, right? So the beauty of this section is, for the right answer you are going to get plus 4 marks. Even if you make a wrong answer, you are not going to lose any marks. So please answer all these questions of this section B. Let us see question number 21. So what is the answer? 71.0. Yes, so there is no need to enter 0.0, but if you want, you can enter the number also. You can write straight away, you can write 71 also is correct option, students. Correct answer, students. Next, question number 22. The answer is 112. 112 is correct answer, students. So how to get this? Yes, solution is given here. Please go through the detailed solutions. Next, question number 23. The answer is 33. So how will you get? So please go through the solution here. Yes. Next, question number 24. The correct answer is 12. 1 to 12. Next, question number 25. The answer is 1010. Dear students, here ends the question paper of IIT JEE Mains 2026, April 2nd, Shift 2, evening question paper of Chemistry, Physics and Mathematics. Dear students, thank you students. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel Venus Academy if you are not yet subscribed, and don't forget to click on like button and bell button. We will meet again with new question paper which will be held on tomorrow, that is on 4th April. We will meet again with 4th April question paper. Till then, bye, sayonara, arigato gozaimasu. Bye students, all the best.